Hi, today we are going to learn how to create Windows 10 installation disk or ISO image. Open a browser. Go to Microsoft website. Download Windows 10 installation tool. Click on download tool now. To use this tool, we must need to have Windows 10 license. Now downloaded. Click on Media Creation Tools to run. Now the tool is running. Click on Accept to start. From this window, select the second option, Create Installation Media, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO files. Click Next to continue. Select Language Edition and Architecture 64-bit or 32. Click Next. Choose which media to use. If you want USB flash drive as a bootable device, select USB flash. Or if you want ISO image, you can select second option ISO file. Here, I am going to select USB flash drive. My USB flash drive is already connected to the PC. Click Next to continue. Now, Windows 10 started downloading. Wait until download is complete. After verifying download, our USB flash drive is ready. Check the USB device. My bootable disk is ready. Thank you for watching my video.